Creme Brulee grilled cheese?
Yes.
I've never heard of that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some creme brulee grilled cheese. I have no idea, but I do know that is grilled cheese. So this is a very viral and very simple 4-ingredient grilled cheese. Some bread, some butter and sugar, and some cheese. Let's try this recipe and see how it turns out. Let's get straight into it. Here I have some shredded cheese. You can just use a simple sliced cheese. I don't have it, so I'm using shredded. This is plain white bread, and this is a butter and sugar mixture. So the recipe is pretty simple. You put cheese in between the bread, close it up, and then put the sugar and butter on top, and then cook it, and then you're ready to eat. Take 2 slices of bread and put cheese in the middle. Now we just spread the sugar and butter mixture. So you could just spread the butter and then add sugar, or you could just add some sugar in a bowl and then add some butter and mix it up and then spread it on the bread. Now you put the pan on a very low heat, and if you do high heat, your sugar will burn. Of course I am. It's grilled cheese. Grilled cheese is my favorite. Creme brulee. Creme brulee grilled cheese. Creme brulee.
Not green brulee.
Creme brulee.
Faster. No.
Creme brulee grilled cheese. Creme brulee.
No brulee.
Brulee.
Creme brulee grilled cheese.
Creme brulee grilled cheese. Creme brulee.
Faster.
Grilled cheese. Creme.
Clean? I just said it without laughing. Come on.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Be sad.
Mom, do the thing that people do on Instagram. Tasty time! Ooh, that actually tastes so good.
So good?
Please subscribe, please like, please comment down below and try it and see how it tastes. I cannot believe this recipe. Bye guys, enjoy my video.